Hi there, welcome back with the third Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday, August the 24th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 1, 3, and 9 and 9. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Previous one has 26. I think this one has 25. Let me count. 1, 2, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 21, plus 4 is 25. Exactly 25. So let's get started. I see here 6 in this row, A6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 6 should be there. And then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and 7 need to wait. All right. How about the number? The number. 8, yes. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Yes, it's an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in the third column. An 8 in one of these two boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these three boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. In this third column, we have a 6 in one of these two boxes. In the second column, we have a 6 over there. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then yeah. 2, yeah. And this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. In this column, we have a 2 in one of these 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have a 2 over there. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. Eight in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in this big square. With a 3 here, no 3 in these two boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box. One box left for the 3 should be there. Two is missing. 5 and 7. Yeah. 5 and 9. 9. And 1. Yeah. In the first column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 there. Here 1. No 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5. No, 5 we have. 4 and the 9 are missing in the first column. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle columns and the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. First digit, alright. Then Then 4. I need a 4. How about the number 3? Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see a 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes because it's in this big square. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 4. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 and a 5, alright. 7 and a 5. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. Digit number 2. How about the number the number. Yeah, the number. Yeah. Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row. So in the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then yeah. Cannot continue with the 4. How about the number These two numbers, 5 and a 7, are missing in this row. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Two numbers left in this column. The numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. One number left in the third row for the number 2. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 7. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 5. Two numbers left in the last row for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. One number left in the second column for the number 8. Yeah, 8 is missing. Yes. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and a 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this second row for the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth Sudoku in this additional. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.